A law banning women from wearing the full Islamic veil came into force last year in Belgium. Some say this law is discriminatory and does not respect fundamental rights such as freedom of religion and expression. Others say the full Islamic veil is an oppression towards women, but according to the authorities, this law is coherent in a secular state. We took the streets of Brussels to see what the inhabitants of the European capital had to say about this. Take a listen.
I think people should be able to express their own their religious views, but the different thing for me is the veil, which is on the head. I think that's okay, but when it comes down to like the burqa, I think then it becomes a bit of a problem, because for me it's like then you interact with somebody, you don't know who you're talking to, but I mean, as I said, everybody to their own religious opinions and rights. So I'm not too sure if I'm a little bit in the middle, whether it's yes or no. People should be allowed to be able to express themselves.
Personally, I'm against all religions. So perhaps if we had a law like that, we should have also a law prohibiting, crucifixes in schools and so on. For that, I would be all for.
I think both ways. One, the culture is important for these people. And second, they live in another culture, they have to integrate. And we need to be able to see people's face when you have to identify yourself. So, yes, to keep their culture because it's part of their religion and their beliefs, and no, because they live here, they have to adapt.
I'm really approve this prohibition. We are in Belgium, we are not in the Islamic countries, so we have to respect our way to live and how to be in Belgium. So no way to be Islamic here.
I don't care, as long as everybody's peaceful, no problem. We have to be tolerant, and everybody got his own views and his own trust and faith, and so it doesn't disturb me, but I'm not pro or counter. I suggest that let the women do what they want to do.
We have to see the people, you have to see the face and with whom you are speaking. That's important, I think. And I want to respect all religions, but I have to see the people. That's something else. And I think that the Islamic people, the real Islamic people, don't like that.
Many people think each one should be able to live their religion freely, but the Niqab is still something that disturbs. After a few weeks of unrest over Niqab issues in Brussels, the city is still under heightened security. But the full veil ban continues to be effective, and this is not due to change in the near future. Frédéric Darmuzey for Jewish News 1 in Brussels.